your door is always open and your path is free to walk. That makes me tenderly my sleeping bag roll up and stash behind your couch. And it's knowing I'm not shackled, but forgot the words and bonds and the instincts that I tried upon some line. That keeps you in the back rows by the rivers of my memory. It keeps you ever gentle on my mind. It's not clinging to the rocks and I've been planning on the columns now that bind me. Or something that somebody say because they thought we fit together walking. It's just knowing that the world when not we're cruising, all forgiving when I walk along some railroad track and find peace. And the summer sun burn me till I'm blind. But not to where I cannot see you walking on the back roads by the rivers flowing gentle on my mind. I did my cup of soup back from a gurgling, crackling, calling some train yard. My bare ruffling coat towel and a dirty hair pulled over across my face. Took a fence from the tin can, I pretend to hold you to my breast and find that you're waiting from the back rows by the rivers of my memories, and a smile ever gentle on my mind.